Alright, I'm going to show you how to install the mods on the server. If you've already got Forge set up, then I'll put a timestamp just to show you the part just to replace the mods with these ones. If you're not using Windows, then I've got a video right here for Mac. If you're using Linux, I'll put another video, but this one's for Windows. So the first thing you want to do is open your launcher. Then from here, you're going to want to go over to Installations. You're going to press New Installation at the top here. You're going to switch the version to 1.16.5. You can type it instead of scrolling. I would just name it 1.16.5 so it's easy to remember. You're going to press Install and it will automatically open. Once you've got it open here, you're just going to quit the game and close the launcher. Press over here for the Java installation. It'll take you to this website. And you're just going to want to scroll down to Windows here. If you're not on Windows, then just choose whichever one's right for you. I'm just going to press this one. Just choose the MSI installer. Download that. I just put it in your downloads folder. It should look like this. You're going to press next. Just press next again. Just keep going through the steps. If it asks you for admin permission, just press yes. There you go, you can just close it now. So the next thing you're gonna want to do is download the Forge installation. That's what's you're gonna use to link the mods to the game. So you're just gonna press download on that. Make sure your launcher is closed for this. Open that. Then you're just gonna press next. Wait for it to finish. Once it's finished, you're going to want to go back to your launcher. You should see Forge 1.60.5 in the bottom left now. You're going to want to go back over to Installation, scroll down to the Forge. You're going to press Edit here, and then you're going to press More Options. Now, depending on how much RAM you have in your computer, what I'm going to have you do is press Control, Shift, and Escape. You're going to go over to the Performance tab right here. You might need to press this. You're going to go over to memory, and depending on the amount you have, so if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, I would recommend changing this number here to a 3 or a 4. If you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, I would recommend changing that to 6 to 8. And if you have 32, I would just leave it at 8. And then once you've done that, you're going to press save. Then you're just going to go back over to play here. You're going to open the game. Now once you've opened the game, you're just going to press quit again. Now we're going to actually download the mods. So you're just going to press on this Dropbox link right here. If you want to see which mods are in here, I can show you this. So it's just jar files. It's just a bunch of jar files. Nothing sketchy. And you're just going to want to press download in the top right here. You're going to download that to your downloads folder. Once it's done, if you're on Google, you can just press over to the downloads and press on this folder. But if you're not using Google, you can just head over to your files here. You can go to your downloads and right click on this, the breastmods.zip. You're going to extract all. Then you can close out of this. Now you're going to want to open this and then press Control A and Control X. Now you're going to want to press Windows key and R to open this panel, this run panel. You're going to type %appdata%, then press OK. Then you're going to want to press .minecraft here at the top. Then go to the mods folder. You might have to scroll a bit, just look for it. Double click on that. Then press Control and V. That will paste. You can go back to your downloads folder here, delete everything we were downloading, close that, and you can reopen your launcher and you should have the mods.